Meaning of first officer.
First officer.
First officer.
First officer.
First officer. A first officer is a pilot who holds the second highest rank in the cockpit after the captain. They are responsible for assisting the captain in navigation, communication with air traffic control, and monitoring the aircraft's systems during flight. In the event of an emergency, the first officer is also trained to take over control of the aircraft from the captain. Having a first officer on board enables the captain to focus on decision-making and overall management of the flight, ensuring safe and efficient travel for all passengers.